Everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be talking about how to hide folders, files and unhiding them. If many will recall back in the days during your primary time when you stepped into the ICT lab, they will tell you how to hide and unhide files and all that. But I'm probably sure many of us have forgotten because it's been years now. It's been like 12 to 13 years now for many of us and all that. Some they have the privilege to learn that. So if they go to their PC and even there's a malicious files that are hidden, that's malwares and trojans and all that are hidden, they can't find those files because they can't find a way to unhide files that are on their PC and all that. So today we are going to dive into that. With that being said, let's get right into it. First and foremost, what the someone might ask, what does hiding and unhiding files actually? What's its benefit? Well, to an average man or to not an IT personnel, it's quite efficient because when you have confidential files, you can hide them from an external party so they can't view your files or they can't get access to it. Yeah, provided you are in a house or something, you are in a you are in your home and you don't want your kids to know a file or something. Most kids are smart of late too, but just be on edge as a parent too. Let's say your kids hide some, you know what I'm trying to say, and you want to uncover it, you can actually use this to uncover it and know what your kids are up to. So let's start. So let me hide off. Let me hide my screen. Is like the apps are too many. So yes. So first and foremost, I think um I'll be opening the file explorer. If you don't know how I opened without navigating to the file explorer to tap on it and all that, I did a video on how to um, access keyboard shortcuts and the various keyboard shortcuts that are there. That is the video before this one, so you can feel free to watch the video, drop a thumbs up, like and share, so other friends of yours can also have a feel of what keyboard shortcuts also are. Okay, so let's get right back to the course. So let me get a file that I want to hide. Okay, so let me see, okay, okay. Let me use this one. Let me go to document. Let me use baby's day out. Let me use this one. So let's see, this baby's day out is a project I'm working on, and I don't want anyone to have an idea of what it is or what it's actually about. Any of my colleagues or my kids or whatever, my spouse and all that. I don't want them to know what that file is actually about. So first right click it, you navigate to properties. With Windows 11, it's exactly like this. With Windows 10 the properties will be seen at the far bottom. So you go to properties. You see this thing here. So there's a pop-up menu for the properties dialog box that displays everything about the application. So there's a general information about the application, the location of the application, the size of the application, the size on the disk is basically the same. I don't even know why they duplicated this. So the date it was created, the date it was modified, the date it was accessed just now. You see, it actually shows the day was last accessed. Yeah, the day was modified, the day was created. Then when you come to the security, it shows you all the administrative people that are using the PC and their privileges. They both what privileges each of them have here. So you go to details, it gives you a little details about what the application the thing is, so it says the file name is baby's day out. It's an Adobe Illustrator file. It's located in the user document. It's 1.26 megabytes here. It was created on this day. It was modified on that very day. It's actually, it hasn't been touched yet, so that's why it's still the same thing. The owner is the owner of this PC. Yeah, the owner is the same user of this PC. That's why it's there. Previous version, there are no previous versions because it's just one. Yes, that's so. What back to the general. So this is where the magic is going to happen. So you come here, you can set it to read only when you don't want people to. Let's say someone finds its way to unlock it or view the thing somehow and want to cause some damage. You can find a way to make them only read it and can't delete or do anything to it here. To my fellow people out there, you can try this. It's very helpful. So right now we are trying to hide it. So if I go to hidden, apply, okay. See right now, it's not here anymore. But it was showing initially was a document, but searching for it, we are not finding it. So what we are going to do here is we want to view it, we want to unhide it. So first things first, you go to the view, you locate the show. See, there's this thing here that says hidden items. When you tap on it, you see the hidden file there. That is the file that has been hidden from the PC. So what you are going to do is you just right click it, go to the same properties, unhide it, apply, okay. That's all. You've hidden and unhidden your file. So it's as easy as pie. You can share this to your friends, your loved ones, so they can hide their works, their projects, whatever they are trying to hide from an external party. And you parents out there, you can use to uncover your kids' darkest secrets and all that on their PCs and all that. Yeah. So with that being said, and this is New Technology Pulse, your number one platform on YouTube. And stay tuned, like, subscribe, turn on the post notification whenever I drop a new video. You'll be the first to know. We'll talk later. Bye bye.